stop. If you think buying an expensive modern truck is a safe financial move, you are walking into a massive trap. Dealerships want you focused on flashy screens, but do you know what veteran mechanics actually drive when they clock out? Today, we reveal the 5 trucks mechanics secretly buy and 5 they beg you to avoid. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right now before we expose the truth. Every single day, dealership salesmen push long financing contracts, but the people turning wrenches know better. What is the absolute oldest, cheapest platform they still hunt down? Let us start our countdown with number 5 on the secret list. That 5th vehicle is the 9th and 10th generation Ford F-150, specifically model years 1992 through 2003, powered by the legendary 4.9-liter straight-six engine, or the time-tested 5.0-liter Windsor V8. These older American workhorses possess timing gears and ignition setups that outlast almost every modern electronic layout on the market today. Mechanics keep them running for decades with minimal investment because parts are abundant, cheap, and bulletproof. They represent an era when trucks were built to work hard and last forever without needing an engineering degree to change a spark plug. But before you spend a single dime on an older F-150, you need to know about a notoriously hidden ignition failure that doesn't just stall your engine, it fries your entire electrical system without warning. That brings us directly to number 4. And trust me, you won't guess what Toyota hid inside this chassis. That 4th vehicle is the 2nd generation Toyota Tacoma, specifically model years 2005 through 2015, featuring the bulletproof 4.0-liter V6 engine. These trucks hold their value for a solid reason. They absolutely refuse to quit. Whether navigating muddy trails or hauling heavy payloads, the mechanical resilience built into these drivetrains is staggering. No, they rarely see these Tacomas in service bays for major engine failures. The frame construction is robust, and the manual or automatic gearboxes endure brutal environments without complaint. Mechanics buy them because they represent true independence from dealership repair monopoly pricing. You can service nearly every routine maintenance item in your own driveway with basic hand tools. However, even this legendary machine harbors a terrifying, catastrophic frame rot vulnerability that dealerships pray you never notice. Because once it snaps your chassis in half, your truck is worth $0. Let us move to number 3, a mid-size truck that industry insiders whisper about for a very specific, shocking reason. That 3rd vehicle is the 1st generation Chevy Colorado, specifically model years 2004 through 2012, equipped with standard manual or mechanical configurations. While full-size trucks command exorbitant price tags, these mid-size workhorses offer a brilliant sweet spot of capability and frame durability. Mechanics respect them because suspension geometry and frames take severe beatings on job sites without shaking apart. They perform honest work without pretending to be rolling luxury lounges. Maintenance costs remain exceptionally low because components are straightforward and widely available across any standard auto parts supply house. Technicians choose these for daily driving because they navigate tight city streets and narrow garage doors with ease, avoiding the parking nightmares of modern oversized pickups. But pause for a moment and look at your own garage. Are you building equity or an expensive liability? If you want to protect your finances from getting wrecked by dealership markups, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right this second. Because number 2 on our secret list hides a legendary mechanical cult classic status. But it also possesses a notorious powertrain quirk that catches 90% of buyers completely flat-footed. That 2nd vehicle is the 3rd generation Ford Ranger, specifically model years 1993 through 2011, built before everything became fused to computer modules. Technicians love them because engine bays actually have space to work in. You do not need a factory diagnostic computer just to change a thermostat or replace an alternator. Parts are universally cheap, and the drivetrain refuses to quit. It is honest, utilitarian performance that respects anyone holding a wrench. Professional technicians understand that modern luxury features often hide expensive liabilities underneath sheet metal. That is why industry insiders quietly purchase robust, time-tested platforms rather than rolling computer terminals wrapped in marketing hype. Every choice they make is calculated to save thousands in maintenance down the road. Understanding these expert priorities gives you a massive advantage when navigating today's confusing used car market full of overpriced traps. Always look at the engineering data first, before signing any financing papers at the dealership today. Yet, lurking inside a very specific production year of these trucks is a ticking transmission time bomb that turns a great deal into a $4,000 repair nightmare. Which brings us straight to the undisputed king at number 1. That crown jewel at number 1 is the second-generation Toyota Tundra, specifically model years 2007 through 2021, equipped with the legendary 5.7-liter V8 engine. While internet hype chases high-boost twin-turbo 6s, professionals know displacement and thermal breathing room win the long game. These trucks routinely cross 250,000 miles with nothing more than basic fluid changes. There are no fragile turbochargers baking oil lines, or complex hybrid batteries losing capacity. It is an absolute tank built to outlast your loan. Yet, while this V8 tank is bulletproof, the dark side of the showroom floor is waiting. The first vehicle on our avoidance list looks like a high-tech marvel, but mechanics call it a ticking financial nuclear weapon. You will not believe what happens when the warranty expires. Now we cross over into the dark side of the showroom floor to review the 5 trucks mechanics tell everyone to avoid. Counting down from number 5 to number 1. Number 5 on our strict avoidance list, the early third-generation Ford F200 Super Duty, equipped with the 6.7-liter PowerStroke diesel engine, specifically model years 2011 through 2014, choked by overly complex emissions control equipment. While diesel engines historically represented multi-million-mile workhorses, modern federal emissions regulations forced manufacturers to install intricate diesel particulate filters, exhaust gas recirculation systems, and diesel exhaust fluid injection arrays. In real-world driving conditions, especially short commutes or stop-and-go city traffic, these systems fail to reach optimal operating temperatures. This triggers constant regeneration cycles, clogged DPF filters, contaminated oil injectors, and sensor failures that render the vehicle undrivable. Repairing these computerized emission systems frequently costs between $6,000 and $10,000, destroying any fuel savings you thought you were gaining at the pump. But an even more notorious, wallet-destroying disaster waits inside our 4th avoidance vehicle, a truck so plagued by carbon choking and timing chain snaps that independent shops literally refuse to work on them anymore. Moving to number 4 on our avoidance list, the early 12th generation Ford F-150 EcoBoost, specifically model years 2011 through 2014. Twin-turbo trucks that became notorious in independent repair shops. While initial sales brochures highlighted massive low-end torque numbers, long-term ownership data reveals severe issues with moisture accumulation in intercoolers, carbon buildup on direct injection intake valves, and premature timing chain wear that requires pulling entire power plants just to service. Technicians routinely warn consumers against buying these early experimental turbo configurations unless extensive service records prove every single factory recall and component update was performed meticulously. The cost of replacing carbon-choked cylinder heads or blown twin turbos can easily wipe out your entire household savings account in a single afternoon. Yet, our 3rd avoidance category is an absolute masterclass in deception. It involves a massive wave of pristine-looking trucks flooding used lots right now. And the hidden damage underneath is so severe it invalidates your insurance. Number 2 is even worse. Entering number 3 on our avoidance list, the 13th generation Ford F-150 Fleet and XL base models, specifically model years 2015 through 2020. Representing heavily discounted or abused commercial lease returns, and fleet vehicles pushed onto unsuspecting retail buyers. Dealerships point out attractive low price tags and clean exterior detailing, but polished paint coats cannot hide severe internal wear caused by endless idling on remote job sites and towing past gross weight ratings. Mechanics see these trucks entering shops with stretched timing chains and clogged oil pumps, proving that cheap upfront prices only finance endless repair bills. The operating hours logged on these fleet engines often equate to double the mileage shown on the odometer, meaning critical wear components are already past their service life before you even sign the paperwork. Even worse, our 2nd avoidance category hides a devastating internal mechanical flaw that doesn't just destroy your engine, It silently shreds your transmission while you are driving at highway speeds, leaving you with zero control. Prepare yourself for the ultimate trap at number 1. That brings us directly to number 2 on our avoidance list. The 4th generation Ram 1500. Specifically model years 2012 through 2018. Plagued by aggressive MDS cylinder deactivation systems and fragile transmission software architectures. Complying with strict corporate fuel economy regulations forced manufacturers to implement displacement-on-demand technologies, shutting down engine cylinders under light loads. In the real world, this places unbearable thermal stress on internal components. Mechanics see engines rolling into shops with collapsed lifters, wiped cam lobes, and severely scored cylinder walls due to immense thermal cycling. Compounding these issues is the widespread adoption of multi-speed automatic transmissions constantly hunting for gears, accelerating clutch pack wear, and causing valve body failures well before initial loans amortize fully. Technicians watch buyers sign loans daily, knowing customers face repair estimates exceeding total resale values within a few short years. Prepare yourself, because the number 1 avoidance vehicle on our list is a multi-thousand-dollar electronic black hole. Dealership salesmen are actively trained to lie about its failure rate, and when it breaks down at 36,000 miles, the repair quote will literally make your stomach drop. Finally, the number 1 truck to avoid at all costs. The early 3rd generation Ford F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid, specifically model years 2021 through 2023, loaded down with 1st generation hybrid systems, battery thermal loops, and overcomplicated electronic turbo setups. When warranties expire at 36,000 miles, owners face repair bills crossing 5 figures for single failed hybrid inverter modules or seized twin turbo assemblies. Mechanics see these trucks towed in with mysterious electrical gremlins that take weeks to diagnose properly. Buying rolling supercomputers out of warranty creates high-stakes financial lotteries where the house always wins. The multiplex networks route data through dozens of control modules, meaning a single failing sensor in a tailgate or trailer wiring harness triggers error code cascades that disable the entire powertrain, leaving vehicles completely dead on highways. When you look objectively at this engineering data, repair logs, and true ownership costs, the path forward becomes crystal clear. As we bring this investigation to a close, remember that true automotive freedom comes from prioritizing mechanical simplicity over short-term marketing hype. If you found value in this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. As you finish watching, click on the end screen link for our dedicated breakdown titled "Nobody Wants These $80,000 Pickup Trucks. Here's Why" to uncover even more hidden automotive market traps. Finally, let us know in the comments below, what truck are you currently driving, and do you trust it to last through the next decade? Thank you for watching. Stay safe and drive with confidence.